Today I have a very cool video to show you. It's of a device called the Aridea Fever Kit in action. Check it out. As you watch, I know you're wondering just what exactly is going on here. Well, believe it or not, each and every one of these people are being screened for fever before entering the building. All they have to do is put their forehead 5 inches from the sensor and wait for the light to change colors. Red means stop, green means go, and it doesn't get any simpler than that. With just 2 of these kits, a business can screen 500 people in less than a half hour. These devices are already being used in places like Toyota Motor Manufacturing, NGK Spark Plugs, Northrop Grumman, and Mylan, just to name a few. Let me explain to you why you need this device and why it's perfect for your organization. In regards to COVID-19, recent guidance from the FDA states that because a fever is a common symptom in the virus, thermographic systems, which convert infrared radiation into body temperature measurements, can be deployed to use as initial triage at high traffic areas, such as airports, businesses, warehouses, and factories. Now, there are lots of different kinds of thermographic instruments out there, with the little handheld forehead thermometers being the ones most people are familiar with. And of course, there are infrared cameras. You've probably seen those on the news. Unfortunately, a handheld thermometer requires the operator that will need to get within 6 feet of a potentially sick individual to get an accurate measurement. And the cameras lead to a whole bunch of questions about privacy. That's probably not a can of worms you want to open up. The Aridea Fever Kit has all the speed and accuracy of these other systems with none of the drawbacks. Sounds a little too good to be true? Well, check out this demonstration. Here we have a white mug with warm water and a black mug with hot water. Using an exogen infrared thermometer, the warm mug does not exceed a fever temperature and turns green. The black mug does exceed a fever temperature and the light turns red. I mean, can you believe this? It's no touch, everyone's able to stand safely apart, it's quick, it's easy to understand, and it doesn't store any information, making it 100% HIPAA compliant. Visit aridea.com/feverkit for more information, to request a quote, or a live demo. Oh, and by the way, Aridea Solutions is an internationally renowned Internet of Things solutions provider with products that have endured the rigors of the Bering Sea, the swamps of Florida, and everything in between. They've been in business for over 5 years, and they know how to make durable, quality products. So visit aridea.com/feverkit today. With smart solutions like these, we can stay safe and get back to work. So let's do it together.